In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord mobile notifications. If Discord messages aren't popping up or making a sound on your phone, the most common cause is that the operating system is blocking them. We're going to fix that by checking the phone's notification permissions for the Discord app. Start by opening your phone's settings app. This is your device's main settings, not the settings inside Discord. On most phones, it looks like a small gear icon. If you have a search bar at the top of settings, that can speed things up, but we'll walk through where to tap. Next, look for the section that manages your apps. Depending on your device, it might be called Apps, Applications, App Management, or Apps and Notifications. Go ahead and open that. You should see a list of installed apps on your phone. Find Discord in that list and select it. If you don't see it right away, use the search field in the app screen and type Discord. Tapping the app opens its system-level info page where you can control permissions, storage, battery options, and most importantly for us, notifications. Now open the notifications section for Discord. This is where you allow the phone to show alerts from the app. Make sure the main toggle to allow notifications is turned on. If your device shows categories or channels such as direct messages, mentions, calls, or server notifications, ensure the categories you care about are enabled. You can also choose how they appear. Allow banners or pop-ups, show them on the lock screen, play a sound, vibrate, and show badges on the app icon. Pick what suits you, but at minimum, keep notifications allowed with a sound or vibration so you don't miss anything important. A few quick tips to keep in mind as you adjust these settings. If your phone has a focus, do not disturb, or quiet mode turned on, Discord alerts may be silenced even if notifications are allowed. Likewise, aggressive battery saver or power optimization settings can delay or mute notifications in the background. If you rely on timely alerts, consider excluding Discord from strict battery optimizations. And if you've recently updated your phone, revisiting these notification settings can help, since major updates sometimes reset app permissions. That's it. By confirming notifications at the system level, you ensure Discord has permission to alert you when messages, mentions, or calls come in. Once these settings are in place, you should start receiving notifications reliably. If issues persist, double-check that your device volume isn't muted and that your internet connection is stable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your Discord notifications working the way you expect.